Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with my hair dryer again, and I have primary colors here, primary cyan, primary magenta and primary yellow. I did thin them down. They are mixed with my pouring medium. I just thinned them down that they will flow a little more. And I have oxide black for my background, and I have titanium white. And I want to do kind of a chaos Dutch pour, and I kind of, I don't know why, grabbed this that I will have kind of orientation where I want my colors to be, and I will just pour some white here. First, I don't know, maybe this is a mistake. And some cyan blue. Just pour my paints on to use them. And magenta. Just add some, and some primary yellow. Don't necessarily want yellow there where the black will be. No. And I will drizzle some white on top too. Maybe I have too much white now, I don't know. If you don't try, you don't know. Okay, and I will pour just some black here to fill out this space. And then I will remove this. That's some more black here. Oh my god, this was a journey. But I like it now. I definitely don't know when to stop with the hairdryer. I have to bring somebody with me in my studio that will just stop me after first blow, but the colors are amazing. I love them, and the sides, it looks so gorgeous. And this part that I blow at first and then stop, it's beautiful. I just couldn't get this part right, but I think that I like it now. I like this orientation definitely. I love the colors, and I will try definitely again, and I will just blow and stop, and then I will fiddle. But anyhow, I'm still learning now. I don't know if I like this part, that I like it before, but now I will leave it like it is. I will not touch it anymore and see what will happen. Now I would love to have this part and this part, you know, kind of in the same flow. Maybe this way doesn't bother me as much, I don't know. Or maybe just this part. Have to stop. See you on the next one. Bye.